All right, I just finished swifting my floor. Swifting, if you're not familiar with swifting, this is a swifter. It mops your floor. All right, with the Swiffer Sweeper wet wipes, right? And it says it traps and locks on multi-surface. And looking at the bottom of my swifter, let's see, da-da-da, drum roll. It actually does do the work, okay? As you can see, it locks in a lot of the dirt. As you can see, it's filthy underneath, right? I'm kind of afraid to touch it because there's so much filth on it. But this is what was on the floor from one pass wiping over my floor with the Swifter. As you can see, this is the front part of the Swifter right here. There's more dirt or a darker colored dirt at the top of the Swifter right here, because this is the side that I was pushing it from, and it collected more dirt. And as you can see, it gradually fades to become lighter as across the Swifter. Now, my only concern is, okay, this was after one pass of wiping with the Swifter. This is the dirt. And now my only concern is how much dirt is still left on the floor after wiping over the floor with the Swifter of one wipe. How many wipes will it take for me to finish swifting before this pad will come clean? Because yes, I did adjust the Swift on the floor just like this all over the floor, and it did pick up dirt. But my question is, how much dirt is still left on the floor, and what is it going to require? It's kind of concerning because the floor looks clean, but is it really clean? Because my cloth is no longer clean. That's the big question. If you've had experience with using more than one wipe on swifting your floor, please leave a comment below and let me know what your thoughts of this are. Does it come clean with one or two wipes, or does it take an entire pack of Swifters to get it clean? Let me know. Thanks a lot for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks.